TNXP stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Especially how things are looking at Tonix Pharmaceuticals. This is a solid bullish market for me. And what I'll tell you is that here's the top. And the only thing that I would care is if the price pulls down and gives me a double break confirmation, right? If that does not start happening, bro, I'm not going to be buying, like, genuinely speaking. You know what I mean? So, I like the trend. I like it all. Like, hype, because, like, guess what? Who was here buying when it was 14 bucks? Well, I'm not just saying that I was. I can show you and demonstrate you the proof.
So again, it
was 17 actually, and it was 24th of April when videos were made, and then since then from 17 we're at 63. We're more than triple. You know what I mean? So even here, this is the most recent long that I just recently got. But if I do not see those pull downs and a like double break, then I'm just not gonna buy. You know, there's abundance of opportunities in the market. Me just coming in here and just trying to force trade, it's not gonna be happening. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.